What else, honey? You like your outfit? Oh, you like the iron. What other toys are you going to play with? Oh, your ball popper? What about your stacking cups? Yeah, I understood that. You speak so clearly. Say hi. Do you want Papa to come back and see you? Wow. Do you want Papa to come back and see you? Yes? Okay. You tell him. Tell him come back. Tell him come back. No! Please. Oh, he'll come next week? Okay.